Hello students, today we are going to discuss one of the important chapter, vectors. In that one of the important concept, that's nothing but triangle law of vectors addition. Now in the triangle law of vector addition, whenever we are going to find, we are adding here two vectors, that's nothing but addition of two vectors. What you are doing? We are doing adding, addition of two vectors we are taking here. Addition of two vectors, already we are having idea much more. The direction of, depending upon the direction, how to add the two vectors or three vectors, whatever we are taking, how to add, already we are having much more idea on that. Now for suppose two vectors, a bar one vector I am taking, another one vector b bar I am taking. Now a bar and b bar in same direction, so a bar plus b bar we are taking. For suppose whenever we are taking opposite, for the two vectors we are taking any opposite vector like c bar, that is nothing but resultant to us. For suppose the c bar one we are taking in the same order, same direction, then the c bar is equal to what we can take, a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0. Already we are having much more on this one, idea on this one. Now in this today's session, we very important, this is the order of direction. Now in the vector addition, whenever we are taking here, now we can take, for suppose two vectors, one vector is a bar I am taking, another one vector b bar I am taking here. Here triangle law of vector addition, first definition we are saying means whenever two vectors is adding in a same order we should take, then the resultant must and should we can get in opposite direction. The resultant one for us opposite. Okay, then only this law is applicable to us. For suppose here a bar I am taking here, same order b bar I am taking, same order means same direction. Now resultant, how we can take here, resultant is opposite to this two order. These two are in this direction, that is opposite. So this is the resultant r bar we are getting. So addition, how you can get here, r bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. This is a normal method only, already we are having much more idea on this. Okay, now what I am going to do here means, the b bar vector I am going to extend here. The b bar vector I am going to extend here. Now this some letters you can assume M, N, O, P. Okay, now here we need to mention angle. Where we should mention angle? Actually the angle mention is very important in the vectors. We can see here whenever the tail of one vector and tail of another vector is joining there. For suppose a bar is one vector, b bar another vector, tail is joined in one place. Then the angle innerwards we should take, inside of that angle we should take. Whenever two heads a bar and b bar we are taking here, two vectors are joined with respect to heads, then the angle is inside we should take. Whenever the head of one vector and tail of other vector, for suppose tail of other vectors whenever we are taking, then the angle we should take outers, theta. Okay, this is very important to us. Now we can see here in this diagram, whenever we are taking for the right angle triangle, we are going to find here these terms we don't know, NP and OP we don't know. So we should find that one where we should take, this is outer angle, so tail and head is joined here, outer angle this one theta. Okay, clear? So theta we got it. So what we should find first? We should take here NP we should find and OP we should find. Before going to that one, what is the triangle law of vector is giving to us? First one, magnitude. With respect to magnitude, when you are seeing r square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This is a magnitude only. Now this resultant we are representing in particular direction, opposite to the order of AB. A plus B, opposite we are taking. The direction also we should take value of direction. Okay, with respect to how much angle we are taking, that one we should find means that is nothing but tan alpha is equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. Today we are going to derive these formulas. This is with respect to magnitude, with respect to direction. With respect to direction. Please remember these two formulas. Today class we are going to derive these two formulas. Now this is the resultant we are taking. This is the angle alpha we are getting here. Tan alpha we are going to find here. Now we can take here NP we don't know and OP also we don't know. Now first we can find NP. NP how to find? Actually two terms sin theta is equal to what you can take? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite what is the NP? For angle opposite NP by hypotenuse ON. Then what you can get? Sin theta is equal to NP is don't know. ON is B bar. Then the NP is equal to what you can get ma? B bar sin theta. NP is equal to B bar sin theta. Next one we are going OP also we don't know. So cos theta we can take cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent is OP by hypotenuse is ON. Then the OP we don't know. Cos theta is equal to OP by ON is nothing but B bar. So OP is equal to what you can get? B bar cos theta. So OP is nothing but what ma? B bar cos theta. ON is nothing but B bar sin theta. So please remember these two terms. Okay, how we got? That is the process. In that process we got it. Now what we required? The resultant you required. Mn is required. This Mn is resultant to us. We required is Mn. Now I am going to rub this. You can copy now. See here, a triangle. Already we are having idea. This is a perpendicularly we are taking here. Already we know perpendicularly we are taking. Now we can take triangle MPN we can take here. Triangle MPN we are taking. Now we can draw a triangle to understand easily. This is a MPN triangle. MPN. This is a B bar sin theta. This is B. See, this is a plus B. This total length what ma? Not A plus B bar sin cos theta. So this total is A bar plus B bar cos theta. This is a resultant R bar. Now this is a perpendicular 90 degrees. Already we know this is like a Pythagoras theorem whenever we are taking. Then what you can take here? Mn whole square AC square plus is equal to AB square plus BC square. That formula only. Then Mn square is equal to AB square. MP square plus Pn square or Np square over wish. Now whenever we are taking Mn square, Mn is nothing but what you can take? R square. MP is nothing but what? This one you know. A bar plus B bar cos theta whole square plus Pn is nothing but B sin theta whole square. Then you can multiply. R square is equal to A plus B whole square. A square plus B square. B is nothing but B cos theta. B square cos square theta plus 2AB. 2 into A into B cos theta plus B square sin square theta. Which one is common term here? B square is common term here. You can take common. R square is equal to A square plus B square. You can take common now. Cos square plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2AB cos theta. Then what you can get here? Finally what you are getting here? R square is equal to cos square plus sin square theta. Cos square plus sin square theta. What you can get? Nothing but 1. Nothing but 1 we are getting. I am rubbing again. I will draw this one. Don't worry. Now what you can get? R square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is only no magnitude. What I given to you, this is only no magnitude. This is the magnitude of the given triangular vector, resultant vector. Okay, now what is the direction? Direction whenever we are taking, already we know the triangle already, how the triangle, this is a triangle we are taking, this is a triangle alpha, this A bar we are taking, This is B bar, R bar, this is the direction. Direction very important here. And B cos theta, B bar sin theta, M N O P. Now triangle M N P. With respect to this angle, actually you can see resultant to the angle we should take. Why means the direction of resultant where we are taking. From this one we are taking the resultant direction. So these two are in tail of a resultant and tail of a vector is joined here. So tail join we are taking inverse angle. So inverse angle we are taking. So whenever we are finding here resultant between x-axis and y-axis, the resultant will give what? Tan. Correct one, you know? Tan. Tan alpha is equal to tan formula what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite what here? Angle ki B bar sin theta. Here which one we should take? Triangle M, same MPN. Which one opposite? B bar sin theta by adjacent. Adjacent and down. A bar plus B cos theta. A bar plus B bar cos theta. Sorry, cos theta. Cos theta. Okay, ma? This is the step. How much easy the direction to find a triangular law of vector. Direction we should find. That is so much easy to us. Okay. Once we can go through again, we can revise it. We can get one clarity on this. Okay. I hope you already understand this triangular law of vector addition. Okay.